got connections to it where you've got electrical connection going through, okay, and it allows it to turn freely in all directions. How fast do you think it turns?
Pretty fast.
About 8 to 12,000 depending on the side RPM. Yeah, so 8,000, say on average 10,000 rotation or revolutions per minute. Yeah, so very fast. And in there it's got weights which are typically given by these liquid pots in there, one on either side. And if you were to look carefully, you will find one of them, I don't have my glasses here, is north and one of them is south. So that's south. So what we do, of course, is we turn this around and you've got north. And you can see that it's attached to the what's this thing called again? Compass card. Yeah, it's attached to the compass card, so it's aligned with the compass card here. Okay. So now you've got a fast spinning rotor that's got the control precession and damping precession. We'll see those in more detail here. And it's got the 3 degrees of freedom. It's got the freedom to turn about spin axis. It's got the freedom to turn about the y-axis, and it's got the freedom to turn about the x-axis. In fact, it's wrong about the y-axis because if you look carefully, it's got in here the ability to turn about the y-axis here. There are stops there, and it's hanging by a wire that's in here. So spin axis, it's got the x-axis here, and the y-axis is this wire which allows that freedom. It's got one more ability which is attached to this, what's called the follow-up system phantom arrangement. And it senses as the ship is turning around, altering course, this starts going back in direction of true north. Yeah, even though the ship is turning, the compass keeps pointing true north. And as it's turning, this wheel follows that sensitive movement. Yeah, as it's altering course, the sensitive element turns back and the phantom wheel also follows it. And the reason for the phantom ring is so that it can pass on that movement to all the repeaters. And it can also attach this to this.
So what's point true north?
This sensitive element points in the direction of true north. If this sensitive element was directly attached to the compass card, it would have a bit of friction involved, and then it won't be really completely free to turn around. There'll be an additional force there, and that's why we have the phantom ring arrangement. We are transferring that movement across to the compass card and also to the repeaters. Yeah. So that's in short the construction of a gyro compass.